There's a dog. My goodness. You know, if I see the dog, I'm scared. Oh my goodness. Good morning. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah. Nice exercise. Yes, Serene Hamin. Oh, are you doing morning work? I start this morning. Yeah, that's my plan. Start morning work, morning walk. Yeah, and then tomorrow again. Over there. Oh my goodness. What time? What time is it? 6:29 a.m. Saan kaya ako dadaan? You know, I'm scared if there is dog. There's a lot of dog here. My goodness. Saan kaya ako dadaan? Look at that, guys, the river. Great glasso. Wow, it's so nice, fresh air. Look at my hair, guys. Look, very windy. Hello, Sir Braid. I need to do exercise now. Just walking exercise. Kawawa naman ng doggy. Hi. The house is here. This is a squatter area. Hello. You know, guys, there is there's some Mr. Mean stay here. Foreigner. His wife, Filipina. Oh, buti na lang. Just only walking, guys. And then after walking exercise, I will go to I'm going to market here, small market. Hala, meron pala over there pa pala doon. Oh, meron palang ano doon. Anong na kaya dito? Oh my goodness, this is my first time here, guys. You know, this is our place, but my first time to visit here. Oh my goodness, how many years? Is 20 years? Oh my goodness. Wow, it's so nice. Look. Yes, the weather is so nice. Look at